Blocking someone on WhatsApp is a quick way to stop unwanted messages and calls. Once blocked, the contact can no longer message or call you through WhatsApp, and they won't be notified that you've blocked them. Follow the instructions below. First, launch WhatsApp on your Android or iPhone and make sure you're on the chat screen. Next, find the person you want to block. Scroll through your conversations or use the search bar at the top to locate the contact. Tap on the chat to open it. Now, access the contact's profile. At the top of the conversation, tap the person's name or profile picture. This opens the contact information page where you can manage settings related to that contact. After that, scroll all the way down until you reach the bottom of the page. You'll see several options, including block contact. Tap block contact name. A confirmation pop-up will appear explaining that the contact will no longer be able to send you messages, make WhatsApp calls, or view certain account information. Finally, tap block again to confirm your decision. The contact is blocked instantly and you won't receive any new messages or calls from them on WhatsApp. What happens after blocking? The blocked contact can no longer send you WhatsApp messages. They can't make voice or video calls to you. They won't receive a notification that you've blocked them. You can unblock the person at any time by visiting the same contact information page and selecting unblock. Blocking someone on WhatsApp is that easy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next helpful tutorial.